Embarking on the journey towards a healthier and more active life is a fantastic step. It's a commitment to yourself and your future well-being. Sometimes starting this journey can feel a bit daunting. You might look at everything involved and wonder where to even begin. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be difficult or overwhelming. Small, consistent changes can make a huge difference over time. The key is finding a practical and sustainable approach that fits into your life. It's not about perfection, but progress. We'll explore how to integrate wellness seamlessly into your daily routine. Let's make health and activity a natural part of who you are. Let's dive into some essential tips that can guide you. These are foundational principles for building a vibrant, active life. Tip 1. Prioritize hydration. Water is truly the foundation of good health. Every single cell in your body needs it to function correctly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, though your individual needs might vary. Listen to your body's thirst signals. Staying well hydrated significantly boosts your energy levels. It helps prevent fatigue and keeps you feeling alert throughout the day. Proper hydration also aids digestion. It helps move food through your system and prevents constipation. Ultimately, water supports overall bodily functions, from temperature regulation to nutrient transport. Make it your go-to beverage. Carry a water bottle with you as a constant reminder. Sip throughout the day rather than trying to chug large amounts at once. Consider adding a squeeze of lemon or lime for flavor if plain water feels boring. Herbal teas also count towards your fluid intake. Remember that factors like climate, activity level, and overall health can influence how much water you need. Pay attention to your body. Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink. Thirst is often a sign that you're already slightly dehydrated. Making hydration a priority is one of the simplest yet most impactful steps you can take for your health. It's fundamental. Tip 2. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Focusing on a balanced diet is crucial for providing your body with the energy and nutrients it needs. Think of food as fuel. Make sure your plate is rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Include lean proteins in your meals. Sources like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu help build and repair tissues. Incorporate whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. They provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Minimize processed foods as much as possible. These often contain excessive sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Limit sugary drinks like soda and fruit juices with added sugar. They provide empty calories and can lead to energy crashes. Reduce excessive saturated fats found in many processed and fried foods. Opt for healthier fats like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Think about nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods most of the time. This provides the best foundation. Planning your meals can help you make healthier choices. Prepare snacks in advance to avoid reaching for less nutritious options. Don't aim for perfection, but consistency. Small positive changes to your eating habits add up over time. Enjoy your food and the process of preparing it. Healthy eating should be a source of pleasure, not deprivation. Learn to read food labels to understand what you're consuming. Be mindful of portion sizes. Consider incorporating a variety of foods to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. Explore new healthy recipes. Remember that healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and learn from setbacks. Tip 3. Embrace regular physical activity. Finding activities you genuinely enjoy is key to making exercise a sustainable habit. Movement should feel good. Examples include walking, running, swimming, dancing, cycling, or participating in team sports. Find what resonates with you. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This could be brisk walking or dancing. Alternatively, aim for 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. This includes activities like running or swimming laps. You can break this down into smaller chunks throughout the week. Even 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, works well. Consistency is more important than intensity when you're starting out. Just get moving regularly. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, and boosts your mood. The benefits are immense. Find a workout buddy or join a class for extra motivation and accountability. Exercise can be a social activity. Listen to your body and start slowly if you're new to exercise. Gradually increase the duration and intensity. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your week. Schedule it in your calendar just like any other important appointment. Explore different types of activities to keep things interesting. Variety can prevent boredom and work different muscle groups. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Acknowledge the effort you're putting in. Remember that some activity is always better than none. Even a short walk can make a difference. Find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily life outside of structured exercise. Take the stairs. Walk during breaks. Tip 4. Incorporate strength training. Building muscle is crucial for overall health and fitness, not just for athletes. Muscle is metabolically active tissue. Strength training is important for boosting your metabolism. More muscle means your body burns more calories even at rest. It's also incredibly important for bone health. Strength training helps increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Include strength training exercises at least twice a week. Allow rest days between sessions for muscle recovery. Focus on working different muscle groups over the course of the week. This ensures a balanced approach. You don't need a gym to start. Body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges are very effective. Resistance bands or free weights are also great tools if you have access to them. Start with lighter weights and focus on form. Strength training improves functional fitness, making everyday tasks easier. It enhances balance and stability. It can also help improve posture and reduce the risk of injuries. Stronger muscles support your joints better. If you're new to strength training, consider working with a trainer initially to learn proper form. This prevents injuries. Progress gradually by increasing weight, repetitions, or sets as you get stronger. Challenge yourself safely. Listen to your body and don't push through sharp pain. Muscle soreness is normal, but pain is a warning sign. Strength training complements cardiovascular exercise perfectly. Together, they provide a comprehensive fitness routine. Make strength training a regular part of your weekly schedule. It's an investment in your long-term health and independence. Tip 5. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is non-negotiable for physical and mental restoration. Sleep is essential for physical recovery. Your body repairs tissues, builds muscle, and consolidates memories while you sleep. It's equally essential for mental recovery. Sleep allows your brain to process information and regulate mood. Adequate sleep supports hormone regulation. It impacts hormones related to appetite, stress, and growth. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall well-being. It affects your energy levels, concentration, and immune function. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up around the same time helps regulate your body clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include reading or taking a warm bath. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. This creates an optimal environment for sleep. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours before bedtime. They can disrupt sleep patterns. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. A light snack is okay if you're hungry. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from devices can interfere with melatonin production. If you struggle with sleep, consider techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Listen to your body's need for rest. Don't view sleep as a luxury but a necessity. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. It impacts everything else. Tip 6. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress negatively impacts both your physical and mental health. It can weaken your immune system and contribute to various health issues. Practice stress-reducing techniques regularly. Find what works best for you to unwind and de-stress. Examples include meditation, which can calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Even a few minutes a day helps. Deep breathing exercises are simple yet effective tools for managing stress in the moment. Focus on slow, controlled breaths. Yoga combines physical postures with breathing and meditation, offering a holistic approach to stress reduction. Spending time in nature has been shown to lower stress levels and improve mood. Go for a walk in a park or sit by a tree. Identify your stressors and find healthy ways to cope with them. Avoid using unhealthy coping mechanisms like excessive eating or drinking. Make time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. These can provide a much-needed break from daily pressures. Learn to say no to commitments that overextend you. It's okay to set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Connect with friends and family. Social support is a powerful buffer against stress. Consider journaling to process your thoughts and feelings. Writing can be a therapeutic release. Remember that managing stress is an ongoing process. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Finding effective ways to manage stress is vital for maintaining long-term health and well-being. Prioritize your mental peace. Tip 7. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can lead to a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods is detrimental to health. Prolonged screen use can also cause eye strain, headaches, and disrupt sleep patterns. Give your eyes a break. Take regular breaks from screens throughout the day. Stand up, stretch, and walk around every 30 to 60 minutes. Prioritize activities that involve movement. Choose active hobbies over passive screen-based ones when possible. Prioritize activities involving social interaction in person. Connecting with others face-to-face is important for mental health. Be mindful of how much time you spend on screens for entertainment. Set limits for yourself. Replace some screen time with reading, hobbies, exercise, or spending time outdoors. Create screen-free zones or times in your home, such as during meals or before bed. Encourage children and family members to limit screen time as well. Lead by example. Reducing screen time frees up valuable time for activities that truly nourish your body and mind. It can improve your focus, reduce digital fatigue, and encourage more active engagement with the world around you. Be intentional about your screen use. Use screens as tools when needed, but don't let them consume your free time. Find a healthy balance between using technology and engaging in real-world activities. Your health will thank you. Consider tracking your screen time for a week to see where you can make adjustments. Awareness is the first step. Tip 8. Set realistic goals. Don't try to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. This can be overwhelming and lead to burnout. Start with small, achievable goals that you can realistically incorporate into your routine. Success builds momentum. For example, instead of aiming to run a marathon next month, start with walking for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Gradually increase the duration of your activities over time. Add a few minutes to your walks or workouts each week. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them feel less intimidating. Celebrate each small victory along the way. Acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated. Be patient with yourself. Building healthy habits takes time and consistency, not perfection. If you miss a workout or slip up on your diet, don't dwell on it. Just get back on track with your next meal or opportunity. Setting realistic goals helps prevent discouragement and makes the journey enjoyable. It's about sustainable progress. Review your goals periodically and adjust them as needed. Your fitness level and circumstances may change. Focus on building habits rather than just achieving outcomes. Habits are what sustain long-term change. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. This makes them clearer. Remember that consistency over time is far more effective than occasional bursts of intense effort. Tip 9. Listen to your body. Paying attention to your body's signals is incredibly important. It tells you what it needs. Rest when you need to. Pushing through extreme fatigue or pain can lead to injury or burnout. Don't push yourself beyond your limits, especially when starting a new activity. Know when to back off. Adjust your routine based on how you feel on any given day. Some days, you might have more energy than others. Learn to distinguish between muscle soreness from a good workout and pain that indicates an injury. Hydrate and fuel your body adequately and listen to its hunger and thirst cues. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Identify foods that give you energy and those that don't. Being in tune with your body helps you prevent injuries and optimize your performance. Learning to listen takes practice, but it's a skill that will serve you well throughout your life. If something feels wrong, don't ignore it. Consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Learning to listen takes practice, but it's a skill that will serve you well throughout your life. Trust your intuition about what feels right for your body on any given day. This tip is about self-care and self-compassion. Be kind to your body. Tip 10. Find a support system. Surrounding yourself with supportive people can make a huge difference on your health journey. You don't have to do it alone. Examples include friends, family members, or a community group focused on health and fitness. A support system provides motivation when you're feeling discouraged. They can cheer you on. They also provide accountability. Knowing someone is expecting you can help you stick to your plans. Share your goals with trusted individuals. Their encouragement can be incredibly powerful. Join a fitness class, a running club, or an online community. Connect with like-minded people. Having someone to share your successes and challenges with makes the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Offer support to others on their journey as well. Mutual support strengthens connections. If you don't have immediate support, consider finding a health coach or therapist. Professional support is valuable. Building a support system creates a positive environment that reinforces your healthy habits. It helps you feel connected and less alone in your efforts. We are social beings. Don't be afraid to ask for help or encouragement when you need it. That's what support is for. Celebrate milestones together. Sharing your progress makes it more rewarding. Your support system is your team. Lean on them when things get tough. Incorporating these 10 tips into your daily life is a powerful way to cultivate a sustainable path to health and activity. It's about building habits that last. This journey should be enjoyable, not a chore. Find joy in the process of taking care of yourself. Consistency is key to long-term success. Small, consistent efforts yield significant results over time. Patience is also key. Don't expect overnight transformations. Trust the process and celebrate progress. By focusing on hydration, nutrition, movement, rest, stress management, mindful habits, realistic goals, listening to your body, and building support, you are setting yourself up for a vibrant, healthy, and active life. You've got this.